Now that we've talked about the different primitive types, let's review the process for creating a new extended data type. An EDT is a primitive data type or container with a supplementary name and some additional properties. So for example, you could create an EDT called name and base it on a string primitive data type. Therefore, you can use the new name EDT in X++ variable and field declarations. There are several benefits to using EDT in your development. First, it makes code easier to read because variables have meaningful data types. For example, declaring a variable of type name is more meaningful than declaring a variable type of string. Additionally, the properties you set for an EDT are used by all instances of that type, which will then reduce work duplication and promotes consistency. So for example, most account numbers in the system are based on the account num data type, so they will have the same base properties throughout the system. They also provide consistency. You can create hierarchies of EDTs which inherit the properties from parent and change some of the properties to create a new data type. So for example, if we use item code data type and it's used on the basis for the markup item code and price discount item code data types. And lastly, they reduce work. So most table fields in Dynamics 365 for finance and operations are based on extended data types. After an EDT is created, it can be reused as many times as needed in the application.